So in this video, you'll learn how to create a secure folder on your Samsung Galaxy A56. So the first step is to open the Settings app. Then you want to scroll and select Security and Privacy. From here, tap on More Security Settings, then select the option Secure Folder. Next, tap on Continue to start the process of creating your secure folder. You'll need to give it access to different things like the calendar, contacts, photos and videos, and all sorts of things. So tap on Continue in order for you to give it access. Once you've done that, wait for the secure folder to be created on your phone. Once you've done that, you then need to create a lock type for your secure folder. So you have the option of a PIN, password, or pattern. You also have the option of adding fingerprints as an extra layer of security. So it's up to you to decide which option you would prefer. And once you've selected it, you then need to enter in your current formation, whether it's a PIN, password, or pattern. Tap on Continue and enter it in again to confirm your choice. Once you've done that, you'll be prompted to allow lock reset with Samsung account, which is a feature that allows you to reset your secure folder if you ever forget your PIN, password, or pattern. If you want to allow the reset, tap on allow. If you don't want to do this and you're capable of remembering your PIN, password, or pattern, you can just select don't allow and you can continue without it enabled. Then just tap on next and you'll be redirected to your secure folder on your A56. So these are the default contents of your secure folder: the camera app, Samsung Internet, contacts, my files, gallery, calendar, and Samsung Notes. In order for you to add more apps, just tap on this plus icon like this. Then you can add an app that's already been installed on your phone, or you can choose to just download it directly from the Play Store or from the Galaxy Store directly into the secure folder. And then from here, you can just select the app. And once you've selected the apps that you want to add to your secure folder, just tap on add and they'll be added to the secure folder. And then if you want to go a step further to customize the secure folder, you can tap on these three dots in the top right corner and you can see different options available. You have the option to access the secure folder settings, you can customize it, you can add files, you can encrypt it, and you can do your own custom sorting order. And then when you're ready, you can just tap on lock and exit and you can exit and lock your secure folder. And so now if you ever want to access your secure folder on your Galaxy A56, just navigate to the home screen or the apps drawer and you should see the secure folder icon there. All you need to do is just tap on it, enter in your lock type, and you can access any of the files that are currently in your secure folder. And so that's how you can create one on your Galaxy A56. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.